Hi guys, welcome to today's video, and if you don't know us, we're called The Whole Wide World, and today we're going holiday at Bournemouth. Hopefully we'll go fishing and do loads of other fun stuff. Oi!
Mommy. Huh?
Okay. Alright, stop! Oi! Oh, okay.
Wow.
Hi guys, and we're in the car now. Everyone's happy or excited because we're almost, they're like, we're going there. Harley's passed out, as you can see. See you in about 2 hours. Bye bye. Hi guys, and we're at the house now. Are you excited? Hi guys, and we're going to the beach, but because today's a really cold day, we're going just like for a little walk. It might be a bit cold, but in case, I've got my swimming shorts on, and also, lucky for us, the GoPro is waterproof. Isn't that right, Harley? Isn't that right? Ugh. We will come back to you when we're at the beach. See ya. Hi guys.
So we're on the beach now. It's quite late. It's probably close to 7 o'clock, but it's still nice. Tonto seems to like it. What do you think of the beach? This is cool, isn't it? This part's nice. It's always nice to be in by the coast, isn't it? Here comes trouble. Are you gonna go in?
Yep.
For real?
Yep.
You know it's gonna be cold?
Yep.
100%?
Yep.
You sure?
The next day.
Hi guys, we're going to Oceanarium, and after that we'll be going to the Bournemouth Pier. We'll start recording when we're there.
What happened though?
It was fully booked.
It was fully booked. Oh, there's loads of other stuff to do, right?
Yeah. Like this sand.
Like there's sand. So we're on the pier now. We're making our way to the zip line. Check out the view. Are you scared, Ethan?
No.
Are you nervous?
Never.
You're gonna cry?
Never.
You're gonna scream?
Ever.
I think I must scream.
A few moments later.
So there's about a half an hour delay in the zipline service. So me and Ethan are going for a little walk to kill some time. It's okay. We've got nice scenery, you know, by the coast. Oh look, that's what we're going to be doing.
That's what we're going to do.
It's scary though.
No.
Oh, that is a bit scary though, isn't it?
No, it's not.
Well, for me it is. Heart's pounding.
No, it's not. It's not pounding. It's not pounding. How is that pounding?
I can feel it. We're in, we're about to get our gear on. Yoink, yoink. Okay, so we all suited and booted, got our gear on. How's yours feeling, man? How's it ouch? If it's ouching, it's not very good, is it? Here's mine. Ow! Okay. Wait, take it. Who's scared?
Not me. You.
Making our way. You ready, Ethan? That's where we're heading. Can't even lie, this is really high. Each time the wind blows and this wobbles, feels at times 100. Are you feeling, Ethan?
Good. Wait, is that a shark?
You're not scared?
Oh, that's a shark. Oh, it's a well.
What?
I literally have goosebumps right now. Look, my feet, my fingers are starting to turn purple.
You ready, Ethan?
No,
kind of. Oh, it's
yeah.
different tune now, isn't it? Now you see it in front of you.
No.
Ready, Ethan?
Step back and forth. 3, 2, 1, go!
Woo.
Yeah, I told you it'd be tight.
Ah.
I just told you it'd be a bit tight.
Oh. Oh. Oh, that was wicked, isn't it, Ethan? Oh.
I just need ice cream now because it's really hot now.
Did you let go?
Oh, what? Did you?
I let go. How'd you find it, Ethan?
Nice!
First time zip lining for both of us. I think Ethan handled it much more cooler than I did.
Yeah!
The next morning.
Hi guys, and we're going to the beach today and go fishing, and it's a really sunny day in Bournemouth. I'm going to have loads of fun.
You're gonna catch your first fish. You're gonna catch your first fish.
Yeah.
Mum's is laughing at me. I can't speak. Look out! You try to say it. First fish. First fish. First fish.
First fish.
Gonna catch your first fish. First fish. See you in a bit. Okay, so we just finished out there at the beach.
Unfortunately, we didn't catch any fish. It's just that we were unlucky.
Unlucky. But it was a good experience.
Yeah,
We had fun still, didn't we?
Yeah, because we've never fished here, and also it's my first time.
Anyway, so that's pretty much the end of our trip. We're going to be going back tomorrow, so we're going to sign off here.
Remember to like and click the notification bell and subscribe. See ya.